Hi, this is Auto Dimension with UI. So actually this UI is come up with the Grasshopper. We can select our panel from here, then we can select our title block as a block object, and then we can start baking the dimensions automatically, easy like that. So as you can see, they all baked on the different layer for each panels. They have fully dimensioned for example, in this case, the glasses. They have fully dimensioned, the bounding on dimension, the glass dimension, angular dimension, everything. And then we can focus on the how to prepare the layout model. So we can choose our paper. Also, we can use the orientation and the scale factor. So we can also specify the name and the format numbering based on how many glass or panel we have. So we can bake the layout. As you can see, the layout are baked. It doesn't matter how many glass you have. Based on your computer, it can generate it so fast. If you see that it has a clash with your title block, you can move your glasses on the X and Y position, so I can again bake it. And then I can also go for the dimension. Right now these are the list of the dimension style. I have it in my file. So if I want to add the new dimension style, I can go to the option and add the new dimension style, for example. For example, I call it default 01. Now press OK. Right now it's not updated here, but in order to update, I can press update, and then you can see it's available here. So I can choose which dimension I want to use in my layout. So I can also use the some sliders here for offsetting. So if I make it lower offset, as you can see, the yellow dimension are become close and further, and also I can choose the border actually, or the bounding box dimension, make it far or near. And also I can change the angular dimension style. So if I change it, I think that dimension style is too small, so I better to use a normal one. And also I can use the X dimension. X dimension is the actually diagonal dimension in the drawing. So I can choose whether I want it or I want 1 or 2. And when it is 2 diagonal dimension, because the text are on top of each other actually, so we can move one of them with the slider. Now you can see it's all available here. So also there are some settings we can choose for our UI. For example, change it to the dark mode or light mode, or active the transparent window, so we can actually see behind of the UI menu. And also we can have a actually resizing panel, so we can resize it to any size that we want. And also there are some saving actually settings, so we can save our setting in the different names here, and we can save it or load it or whatever actually it's required. Actually this plugin is still under the development. I'm working on it, and I think in near future we can release it as a plugin for subcontractor into the Rhino and Grasshopper.